Is your 2025 Chevy Silverado key fob not working reliably? It probably needs a new battery. This video provides a straightforward guide to replacing the battery yourself, saving you time and money. The 2025 Silverado key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which is easily replaceable with a few simple tools. A dead key fob battery is a common issue, especially with frequent use of remote start or in cold weather, but is often a quick fix. The key fob is essential for keyless entry, remote start, and security features on your 2025 Silverado. It communicates with your truck via radio frequency. Inside, there's a microcontroller, antenna, and the CR2032 battery powering it all. The battery depletes over time, especially with increased use. Newer fobs, like those compatible with the digital key feature, might reduce battery reliance, but physical batteries are still common. Expect your battery to last 1 to 2 years under normal use. You'll need a few basic tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool designed for key fobs. Gloves are optional, but recommended to keep the battery contacts clean. Protect your eyes. These tools help you open the fob without damaging it. A keyring opener can also be used. These tools are cheap and can be found online or in hardware stores. First, locate the seam on your Silverado key fob. This is where the two halves meet. Insert your pry tool into the seam and gently twist to separate the two halves. Be careful not to force it. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation, with positive side up before removing it. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation, positive side up. Snap the fob back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob near your vehicle to confirm it works. When replacing your Silverado key fob battery, follow these important safety tips to avoid damage or injury. Avoid short-circuiting the battery during replacement. Handle the battery carefully to prevent contact between positive and negative terminals. Wear gloves to prevent oils from your skin affecting the battery contacts. Clean, dry gloves protect the electronic components. Do not force any parts of the fob open. Use gentle pressure and proper tools to avoid breaking the plastic casing. If your fob has a mechanical key, remove it carefully before prying. This prevents damage to the key mechanism. Ensure the new battery is properly seated and the fob is securely closed to prevent moisture damage. Check alignment and snap together firmly. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by double-checking the battery orientation. Ensure the positive side is facing up and the battery is seated properly. Next, ensure the battery contacts are clean. Wipe them gently with a dry cloth. If problems persist, the fob may need resyncing with your vehicle. There could be internal damage, or some early 2025 models had faulty contacts. If issues continue, check online forums for similar problems or consult a dealer. Replacing the key fob battery yourself saves significant money. Dealerships often charge $50 to $100 for this service, while a CR2032 battery costs under $5. The whole process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. DIY tutorials and guides empower owners to handle basic maintenance tasks, saving both time and money. Key fobs are evolving beyond simple remotes. Future technology promises greater convenience and less maintenance. Increased integration with smartphones enables digital keys, allowing phone-based control that reduces the need for physical batteries. Inductive charging and battery-free fobs may use energy harvested from the vehicle itself, eliminating battery replacements entirely. Biometric entry systems, using fingerprint scans and face recognition, offer secure access without keys or fobs. While battery replacements are common today, these innovations will lead to vehicles with minimal or no key fob maintenance.